Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwe musician Malloti has made shocking revelations about how she had an unplanned pregnancy. Malloti, wife to dancehall musician Mwanangende, says when she got pregnant they were facing a lot of hardships, but told herself that there is no way God can give them with a precious gift without a way forward. She says that she is a very lazy person and a procrastinator, but when she got pregnant, her energy became too much that she herself was surprised. Malloti says she worked very hard and even her labor was very easy and fast without any complications. By this, she says that she gave birth to a bouncing baby boy who she can describe as a blessing, as he is always calm, doesn't get sick easily, and is very clever. Malloti therefore says that she is forever grateful and content with what God gave her, even if it was unplanned. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.